So you are going to pause the video as soon as I'm done talking, but what you need to know about proportional relationships is whenever you graph it, it's going to always start at 0, 0 and have a consistent increase of line. Okay, so these were the numbers that we graphed, and they all have a proportional relationship. If you put them in a fraction form, they all reduce to 2/3. And so that's just another way that you can tell that they're proportional. Remember from our lesson in 5.1 or 5.2, going to have a straight line, oops, and it's going to pass through the origin. So make sure you copy the graph just so you can see what it looks like, as well as a sentence right down here. So go ahead and take time now to pause. The first few you're going to pause and try on your own. So go ahead and pause the video and try to answer yes or no if it's showing a proportional relationship, and then click play to check your work. Alright, so number 2 is a yes because it starts at 0, 0 and it has a straight line. Number 2 is no because it starts at 0, 1. And number 4 is also no because it is starting at 0, but it's not increasing steadily. Again, here's your number 5. So go ahead and this one also is not a proportional relationship because it doesn't start at 0, 0 and have a straight line going up. Okay, so it has to have those two things. Number 6. Number 6 is a no as well. It still starts at 0, 0, but it's not a steady increase. Remember, steady increase, it has to be a straight line. Another thing you can do is actually graph proportional relationships, and you will see that a little bit on your worksheet tonight for homework. So here's what it would look like if you graphed your points. If I graph my points, this is the line it would make. I can connect my points. I'm going to try to make a straight line as possible. And notice if I continue going with the pattern, I'm going to end right here at 0, 4. This graph is not a proportional relationship because when I graph it, even though it makes a straight line, it is not starting at 0, 0. Okay, so you have to make sure that your graph is showing a proportional relationship when it starts at 0, 0 and has a steady increase. Same thing here, you're going to plot points. So this is what so those are all my points plotted. I'm going to connect them. And notice if I can continue going, it does start at 0, 0 and it's a steady increase. So this one would be yes. You could also tell because of these, if you set them up as fractions, they would all reduce to 1/2. 1/2 is equal to 2/4, and a 1/2 is also equal to 3/6.